13-13 as that ball sails into the net. Little technical difficulties, but hopefully you guys can hear us, and we are back online bringing you some exciting action. Tweet at me at RaceLilani just to let me know how it sounds, how it looks. We'd love to hear from you, and my Twitter handle is on your screen. Now serving here for the Blizzard is Marley McIntosh. Nice pass there from Holmes. And a swing out of the middle. Free ball coming over from the Blizz. This time right side, big swing from Vint. And the Blizzards working hard on defense there, but that ball has too much heat to handle. Great shot there from Nighthawks Vint, and here she is back to serve. Float serve. Good try there from Waters, but unfortunately the ball came into our stands and we had to catch it to save the equipment. Nonetheless, great effort from Blizzard's Waters. Passed up there by Robinson. Waters with the swing. Big dig from Green. Out left to Trevors, and Trevors squeaking it over the blocker. Point Nighthawks. Nighthawks with a serve, passed up there by Robinson. Free ball once again by Robinson, and a nice spot, short 4. And there is a great swing there from Nighthawks. Jessica Trevors, number 7 from the left side. Still serving here for the Nighthawks is number 11, Kaylin Vint. Vint with the short float, Waters with the pass. Out left to Waters, a little bit tight, and a good block there from Nighthawks. But that point is going to be awarded to the Bedford Blizz because the Nighthawks are called on the net. Now back to serve for the Blizz is King. King with the short serve. Passed up by Trevors, and a nice cross-court right side shot from Mila Walst from the right side. Both teams are picking up their attack and defense here, and a lot of rallies that are exciting to watch. Still serving here for, actually new server here for the Nighthawks is Mila Walst, number 1. Walst with a tough serve, and that ball is going to be called as a touch. Point awarded to the Nighthawks. Nighthawks waltzed back to serve. That ball just long on the side of the court there. Point Blizz. Back to serve here is Waters. And a nice serve there from Waters. Service ace for the Bedford Blizzard white team. (17-23) here. Waters with the serve. Deep serve passed up by Walst. And a swing there from Trevors. And Trevors is going to win that point with her swing. Nighthawks potential set point here, 24-17. And back to serve for the Nighthawks is number 7, Jessica Trevors. Trevors with the jump float, but that ball is just long. Lots of pace on it, just out the back line. Serving here for the Blizz is Tegan Labor, number 28, keeping the Blizz alive here. Labor with a hard float. And a nice swing there. Great touch from Waters. Free ball coming over from King. And it looks like a block there from number 22, Sarah Covey, and the Bedford Blizzard team going wild. What a rally between both teams, not wanting to give up that point. Tegan Labor serving. This time that ball out the side. Good job by Labor being aggressive, but that one just sailing out the side on her. 25-19 for the first set here, Nighthawks versus the Blizzard. They're going to switch sides, and we'll be right back for set 2. All right, welcome back to the 2016 Nova Scotia Volleyball Championships. This is game 2 of your Friday, your 1:10 p.m. game. Number 1 Nighthawks versus number 15 Blizzard White, and the Nighthawks are up 1-0 here, but some great rallies going on between these two teams. My name is Raisa Lalani. I'm going to be doing your play-by-play. As you know, if you have been listening in the first set, if you're just tuning in now, welcome. Make sure to reach out to me on Twitter. My Twitter feed is on your screen, and we are on our way here. A nice tip there from number 4 Holmes. Gallagher putting that ball up high. Swing from King, but that ball looks like it is out the side. Ref just making sure, and that point is going to be awarded to the Nighthawks. 1-0 here in the early goings of the second set, and back to serve here for the Nighthawks is number 4 Madison Holmes. And there's Waters with a big swing, but a big block there from Vint. And that ball is out of bounds, point going to the Blizzard. Back to serve here for the Blizz is number 13, Regan King, with a short serve, and that short serve is going to score a service ace. Great serve there from Regan King. King serving again. Nice pass there from the Nighthawks, and number 1 waltzed with a big swing in the middle. And another swing from the back row, number 28, Tegan Labor, but that ball just outside of the bounds on the right side. Serving now for the Nighthawks, number 11, Kaylin Vint. Vint with the serve. Passed up by Waters short. And it looks like a back row ball there from Covey. Dug up by the Nighthawks. Free ball coming over from Trevors. Gallagher setting up once again her back row. There's Covey just hitting it into the net there. Point going to the Nighthawks. And still serving for them is number 11, Kaylin Vint. Vint with the spin serve. That serve is out of bounds. No touch by the Blizzard players on serve receive. Point for the Blizzard team. And now back to serve here is your left side from the Blizz White team, number 23, Adelia Waters. Waters with a tough serve. Nice pass up by Trevors. Back row attack by number 4, Madison Holmes. And a big hustle on the Blizzard side, but that ball is going to go for the Nighthawks. Looks like we're going to get a substitution early into the match here once again for the Nighthawks. Number 2, Holly Cameron is coming in for number 1, Mila Walst. Cameron going straight back to the service line as she's subbed in. And here she is serving for the Nighthawks. Good serve there from Cameron. And Waters looking to save that ball with one arm, putting some muscle behind it, but just short of the net there. Still serving here is Holly Cameron for the Nighthawks. Cameron with the serve, and that is going to be a short serve. Service ace for the Nighthawks. Cameron still serving here for the Nighthawks. And there is another service ace. Holly Cameron subbing into the match as a stellar server for the Nighthawks. Once again, she's back on the end line, ready to serve. Cameron with the float, passed up by Waters. Gallagher looking to set her middle. There's Robinson putting that ball over. And a big swing from the middle there. There's Maya Green. That ball almost staying alive, but Bedford Blizz player getting close to the bench, making sure she stays safe. Looks like we're going to get a timeout call here from the Bedford Blizzard team. It is 8-3 in your second set, and the Nighthawks are leading 1-0. Remember, this is best out of 3, so this could be a potential 2 or 3-setter game depending on what happens. Now, Bell Alliant TV1 is proud to be the official webcaster for the 2016 Nova Scotia Volleyball Championships from the Canada Game Centre in Halifax, Nova Scotia. We are so happy that you've tuned in to listen to me and watch some great volleyball action. But if you're in Halifax, come on down. It's going to be an exciting weekend with some great players playing the sport that they love. Bell Alliant, there's more to love with Fiber Op. And on your screen there is the Bedford Blizzard huddle. Eight 3 here in the early goings of the second set, and still serving a stellar server for the Nighthawks, number 2, Holly Cameron. Cameron with the serve, tracked out of bounds by Waters, and that point is going to go to the Blizzard team. Now back to serve for the Blizzard is their setter, number 2, Kansas Gallagher. That ball just short into the net, point Nighthawks. Now serving here for the Nighthawks is number 7, Jessica Trevors. And once again, that ball sailing into the net, point to the Blizzards. A little ping pong back and forth action here with the serves. But going back to serve now for the Blizzard is number 18, Robinson. Robinson with the serve. Passed up there by number 4, Holmes. Holmes with the swing, and that ball is going to find the ground. Nice shot, soft 6 there for Holmes. Point Nighthawks. Now back to serve for the Nighthawks is number 9, Riley Boulter. Spin serve. A little bit of confusion on the Blizzard side. Point going to the Nighthawks. Spin serve again. And a little touch there from Bethany Robinson, but that ball is just too deep for her to handle. Good point and serve there from number 9's Riley Boulter for the Nighthawks. Another spin serve. Waters with the pass. Saved by King, and a free ball over from Bedford. Vint setting outside to Holmes, and Holmes looking to swing hard, but that ball just out of bounds. Point for the Blizzard team. Now back to serve here is number 22, Sarah Covey. Covey with the serve. That ball served out of bounds. Just out the side, point Nighthawks. Serving here for the Nighthawks, number 12, Maya Green. Green with the serve, passed up by Labor. Good save from Waters. Going out left, and a shot there from Holmes, and Holmes just called on the double hit there, point Blizzard. Back to serve here for the Blizzard is number 28, Tegan Labor. But first, we're going to get a Nighthawks substitution. Coming into the match is Elena Bryce, number 6, for number 12, Maya Green. Labor with the serve. Passed up there by Bryce. And a roll shot there from Holly Cameron, but a little too much heat to handle there. That ball is out of bounds. And here's Labor once again with the serve. Little miscommunication on the Nighthawk side there. The Bedford Blizzards crawling back into this set with their server, Tegan Labor. Labor with the serve. And that ball taken. Good save there from the Nighthawks. Free ball over from Cameron. And a big swing there from number 13, Reagan King. And it looks like that ball that was hit was on the other side of the antenna. That ball is going to be called for the Bedford Blizzards. Serving once again here is Regan King. Looks like there's going to be a little talk with the ref. The referee did call that ball outside of the antenna, but it looks like there's a little bit of contention from the Nighthawks side. Tegan Labor still serving here for the Blizzard. And that ball saved there by Nighthawks. Great hustle there from number 4, Madison Holmes. Not giving up on that ball there, but Labor doing a great job for the Bedford Blizzard. 13-11 here in the second set. This ball passed up by Cameron. Out left to Cameron. Cameron with the roll shot. Dug up by number 18, Bethany Robinson, but that ball just not able to be touched a second time. Now back to serve here is Madison Holmes for the Nighthawks. Big serve there, and there was a touch from Blizzard player Robinson. That point's going to go to the Nighthawks. Madison Holmes once again serving for the Nighthawks. Jump serve. And that is a beautiful serve there, but just called out of bounds. Serve here from King. And a dump there from number 11, Kaylin Vint, but that ball out the side. Bedford Blizzards number 13. Regan King back to serve again. Passed up by Holmes. Out left, and that's a big swing there from number 7, Jessica Trevors. Back out to Trevors, and Trevors just the off shot. Great defense from the Blizz. Waters saving that dump and looking for that free ball over, but that is going to be called for hits. Great job by both sides. Great job from Trevors on the left side for the Nighthawks, finding a way to score, and the Blizzards defense not letting that ball drop. Vint with the serve, and that is a powerful serve from Vint. Point Nighthawks. Vint with the serve, squeaking it over the net, receiving that ball into the middle there for number 2, Holly Cameron, and that ball is going to score. Still serving here for the Nighthawks, Kaylin Vint. Vint with the serve. Passed up by King. There's Waters on the right side. Great dig there from Nighthawks defense. Ball is tight, but what a swing from Jessica Trevors. That ball is tight, and she went up to hit it. Nighthawks point with Kaylin Vint still serving here. Vint with the serve. That ball passed up by Labor. Coming into the scoreboard here, unfortunately not able to get a third touch on that ball. Nighthawks point. Vint with the serve. And another service ace for Kaylin Vint. Looks like we're going to get a timeout call here from the Bedford Blizzard side. 20-13 here in the second set. So it'll give me a little time to tell you about something called the Sideline Scoop that we have on CTV Monday mornings. Join Bell Alliance TV-owned Scott Squires as he chats with Cyril Looney each Monday at 8:40 a.m. on the Sideline Scoop, and get up to date on Bell Alliance TV1's local sports coverage, including this exciting tournament here with Scott and Cyril. That's the Sideline Scoop, Mondays at 8:40 a.m. on CTV Morning Live Atlantic. So, folks, if you are watching this webcast, make sure to tune in, because you could see the person you're watching right now on TV Monday morning, as we are going to have some video footage from this exciting tournament. You're looking at the Nighthawks huddle, and they are just getting ready to get back on the court. Still serving here for the Nighthawks is number 11, Kaylin Vint. Vint with the serve. Passed up by King. And a swing there from Robinson, but that ball under the net. Point awarded to the Nighthawks. 22-13 here. Vint with the serve, and it is off the head of Blizzard player Regan King. She's got all smiles though, so no damage done. And Vint still serving here. Good pass there, Bedford Blizzards keeping that ball alive. Gallagher with the free ball. Passed up by Holmes. Cameron in the middle. Dug up by King. And a swing from the middle there from Blizzards Robinson, but that ball out of bounds. Here is Vint with the serve. And a good save there from number 13, Regan King, but not enough for a third contact over. And that is your game, 25-13 for the Nighthawks. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Raisa Lalani. I'm going to be here all day doing your play-by-play. Make sure to tune in for the next game, 2:20 p.m. The Lynx versus the Hurricanes. We'll be back.